Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail or your email account on Wix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wix.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Wix website, where if you don't already end up within the dashboard, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and use your credentials to log into your account. After logging into your account and ending up within the dashboard, if you wish to change your email address, click on your account icon at the top right corner and click on account settings. Now from the account settings page, if you scroll a little bit down, you will find your account email underneath login information. Click on the edit button and you will be asked to enter your account password first. Just type in your current account password to verify your identity and then enter the new account email address that you wish to use. Finally, enter this new email address once again for confirmation and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your new email address. After you enter this verification code or click on the link that you received within your email will successfully be changed. Now, in case you wish to change your Google account that has been connected to your Wix account, scroll a little bit down and you will find social logins, where you can find your Google account. Simply click on the remove button and your current Google account will be removed. Then you can once again click on the enable button and link another Google account with your Wix account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your Gmail account on Wix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.